Organizations perform work to achieve a set of objectives. And generally, work can be categorized as either projects or operations, although the two sometimes overlap. Hi, this is Abutaha, and I welcome you all to this session, in which we'll be discussing the differences between project and operational work. Hello everyone, and welcome back. It's essential that you have a clear understanding of the project, the operation, and the differences between these two terms. Because many people get confused with these two concepts, possibly because they share some characteristics. Here are some of the shared characteristics between project and operational work. Both project and operational work are performed by people. Also, both are planned, executed, monitored, and controlled. They also both have resource limitations. Let's start with the characteristics of the project. As we discussed in the previous section, a project can be defined as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. The basis of the definition is in two key words: temporary and unique. The first point says the nature of the project is temporary. Temporary means that the effort has a timeline, start date and end date. This means that once you deliver the result, your project will cease to exist. The second point is that the project produces a specific output. If it's a construction-related project, it may be a physical structure. If it's a research-related project, it may produce a report, like an analysis of vehicle pollution's impact on the environment. A project may also produce a service-related output, like setting up a call center to help customers in solving their problems. Here are some examples of projects. The project can be developing a new product or service. Designing a new transportation vehicle can also be considered as a project. Building a water system for the community. Constructing a building or facility is another example of a project. Implementing a new business procedure or process. And developing or acquiring a new or modified information system. The second type of work is operational work. The characteristics of operational work and what makes it different from projects is that operations are the day-to-day activities of the organization. These are activities that are repetitive to the business. They help in attaining the long-term goals of the business through repetitive output. Operations are ongoing executions of activities that produce the same output or repetitive service. Furthermore, operations are used to run regular business models, achieve goals, and support the business. Also, operations are permanent, and their only constraint is profit for the organization. Any manufacturing or production process can be an example of an operation. Here are some of the differences between the project and the operation. The operations are ongoing and repetitive, while projects are temporary and unique. The purpose of a project is to achieve its objectives and then terminate. The objective of an ongoing operation is to sustain the business. Projects are different because the project concludes when its specific objectives have been achieved. Projects are undertaken at all levels of the organization, and they can involve a single person or many thousands. Project duration ranges from a few weeks to several years.